I don't know what he's thinking when he'd rather spend his Christmas holiday with someone else. I guess he stopped thinking about me. Yeah. I don't know what he's thinking when he says that he's been driving all night, all day to celebrate Christmas with me. But he's not here, and I'm not there. I don't know what he wants now, but I don't care. Yeah. Oh, he ain't ringing my bells no more. Oh, he missed out on love, and that's for sure. Oh, he ain't ringing my bells no more. Oh, he missed out on love, and that's for sure.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share some home improvements that I've been doing around my home leading up to Christmas. I hope you enjoy. Now the first one starts with this inexpensive rug that I picked up from Spotlight. Now every season I like to change it up by covering it with some different fabric. And this year I chose this really pretty baby blue gingham check.
And I'm not there. I don't know what you want now, but
Now guys, I really enjoy doing this as this has saved me a ton of money when it comes to changing out my rugs every season at the front door. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to cut first of all the fabric to size.
Oh, you miss out on love, and that's for sure.
Now I purchased a metre of fabric here guys, which was more than enough for this project. I then took it outside and took some of that spray adhesive. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn the rug facing the front, and I'm going to coat the entire front with 2 coats of the spray adhesive.
You ain't ringing my bells. No. You ain't ringing my bells no more.
We're then going to flip the rug over and smooth it out with our hand. We're then going to take that spray adhesive once again and go around the entire edges. We're then going to flip the mat over, smooth it out once again with our hand, and voila, we have a brand new outdoor mat.
Come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up.
So this is the stencil at the front of my front door, and what I do is I place this rug down and then I add this beautiful Home Sweet Home rug, which is from eBay. I'll leave that link for you down below, and I place that on top.
The time is short, we blink and then it's gone. So we better make the most of what we've got.
Now guys, I've been a little obsessed with Amazon lately, and I found so many cute things to put outside my home, like this beautiful welcome sign. I'll leave it linked for you down below.
It's all too late.
Now because I'm going with a pretty blue theme here guys, I spray painted my little pot here as well as this beautiful wreath. Now you know I've been loving the boho style of decor lately guys, and I was after 2 boho wreaths but just couldn't find any. But thanks to the amazing Amazon, I put my DIY thinking cap on and decided to create them when I came across these wooden beads.
Join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late.
Now I picked up 2 galvanised rings from Spotlight, and what I'm going to do is just hot glue the beads right round the rings.
to give the gift of cheer. So come on in, come on up, come on over.
Now I went right round, guys, and left a little gap, but this is where I'm going to put the ribbon.
A swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3.
Keeping things very neutral, I just chose this brown ribbon and tied a simple shoestring bow.
Get together, come on in, nothing better. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3.
I then repeated the same steps on the second wreath. Now another couple of Amazon finds that I found, guys, were these adorable little napkin rings. They're very boho style and I'll leave them linked for you down below. Also from Amazon is this adorable little book stack, guys. I'll leave this also linked down below. You can see that I'm going for a very boho beaded theme here. I'm really attracted to anything with beads at the moment. Guys, the last project I wanted to do here was change out my light fittings over my island bench. Now these were industrial light fittings that came with the house when we purchased it 5 years ago. But honestly guys, as much as I love this industrial look, they are dust collectors and I wanted to add something a little more glam. Now I started to look online, guys, for something that was inexpensive, and I came across this beautiful store on eBay that sells these rustic style chandeliers. I loved this one in particular, guys. It had that shabby chic feel about it, and I really loved it most of all was because it come already assembled. I didn't have to put all these little beads on. To my amazing hubby, he replaced these for me and put them up. I was so excited, guys. This was in the middle of putting them in and I just couldn't wait to turn them on.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed my home improvements as I prepare for Christmas. Don't forget, guys, I'd really appreciate a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can, and I'd appreciate most of all if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.